And here are the tools you're going to need. 3/8" drive ratchet, Pittsburgh, works fine. Also this 5/8" ratchet or spark plug socket. So I've seen a lot of information on the internet about what size of socket is needed to take these off of your 2018 Sportster. Somebody was saying 11/16, which was entirely too big, because I tried that and yeah. Turns out 5/8" is actually working just fine. That. And there we go. Swapping these out. These are the OEM plugs, the originals that came on the Harley, by the way, since 56 miles. Never changed out or anything. For E3 Diamond Fire. All I gotta do is take this, rub some anti-seize right on there. I prefer to get it actually toward the bottom. That way, even lubricant. Go ahead and take it right in there. Just go ahead, take that, take that, dump it in there like so, tighten her down. Then after that, use some of your spark plug boot protector, seal the outside, make sure no water gets in there, and you should be good to go. Here's the most important part of this. Make sure everything works after you get everything installed.